I get a lot of questions on how I get my makeup so natural. How my makeup looks so natural and cute and fun. Especially at work, they're always asking me, how do your makeup looks so beautiful? Your makeup looks so good. I'm like, thank you. I did it myself. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I do my natural, minimal makeup routine every day. You want to make sure that your skin is clean, make sure it's washed. I wash it with, right now I do not have a cleanser, so I rinse it off. But today I made a face scrub with brown sugar, honey, lemon juice. So that's why my face looks so like vibrant, clear, soft baby skin, okay? So yeah, and then I put Vaseline on my face or Aquaphor. I do not have a skincare routine, okay? Like, it's expensive and there's no point because honestly, I feel like it doesn't really do much. Okay, but let's get into it. I mean, it does, but I like to keep it simple, okay? So I just use Vaseline and it works really good on my skin. Like, I have no issues. Okay, so clean face. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. They're growing out right now. They were shaved, but they're growing out. So I'm going to shave them again. Just a little bit though, because girl. I love me a clean brow, clean and sharp. I really used to like, having like thick eyebrows, but I learned that thin eyebrows look so good on me. Like, it really fits my face. Okay, so I shave my eyebrows. And yeah. If your eyebrows are not done, your makeup will not eat, okay? So you gotta make sure your eyebrows is crispy. Okay, so that part is done. I use this for my eyebrows. I really like this because it gives my eyebrows a clean finish. Like, it's super natural. It matches my eyebrows and it doesn't do too much, okay? Like, I like it to look simple and neat. I like the strokes that it gives my eyebrows, and it just looks real natural, like. Done. Eyebrows is done. I know some people like use concealer under the eyebrows to give it a clean look, but I don't do that because it looks fine. Like, it looks clean to me. It looks good. I put a little bit of concealer under my eyes. This is Coasis. Oh, Lord. I just want to eat it. Coasis is so good. It's so hydrating. I love a hydrating product on my face. I just love it. And this is in the shade 8, but I believe this was my summer color. Now that it's winter, I lost my, tan, and I don't think I'm this color anymore. I feel like I need to go a shade lighter because I feel like this is a little bit dark, but it's okay. This shit is expensive, okay? I'm gonna use it until it's dry. Like, you see how dark it is? Jesus. Next, my blush. This cute ass blush. I love this shit. Growing up, I was never really a makeup girl. Like, I hated makeup. And honestly, I don't know. Like, I just never grew up wearing makeup. I didn't know how to do it. I felt like it didn't look good on me. Like, I was a tomboy, honestly. So now, like, I really take advantage of this. Like, I love this. I love being a girl. I love exploring. You can never have too much blush. I think I put too much, but you can never have too much. Never. Okay, so that's done. I feel like I put too much, but it's okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, now I really try to keep the makeup super minimal because it looks so pretty. Like it looks so natural. I want to walk outside and just like, and it looks like I don't have makeup on, you know? Like I'm really a simple girl, and you know, it's winter time and I just like to keep it minimal. I don't like all that stuff on my face, and it's already dry outside as it is, like I said. And the more makeup that you have on your face, the more dry and cracked up it will get. Okay, we don't want cracked skin. Like, you really don't need so much makeup on your face. Like, keep it simple. Simple is always the best. Simplicity. Simplicity is key. Okay, anyways, so I have this brown eyeliner and lip liner, and I just got this new lip liner. It's called Cacao. It's so good. I love this one, and this is the brown one. And sometimes I would put this under my eyes too. Yeah, I would put this under my eye. Yeah, I feel like this under your eye, like it really pops out your eye. That's why I love putting this on. It pops out my eye, at least. Like it just does something. Like, I am not a professional makeup artist. This works for me, okay? Yeah. And sometimes I would use an eyeshadow. I recently started getting into eyeshadow, and the first eyeshadow palette that I got was this. So many colors, yes. And the second one I got is this one because I really love like the brightness. I'll put a shadow on today. The one that I use is like the gold one, like sparkly. I like a sparkly look. Like this could even be a highlighter. I don't know how to do all that, but we experimenting right now, okay? Okay. But that's pretty much it. Like, super simple and calm, cute, baddie, natural light. Like, that's the way I like it. That's the way, I like it. I know you enjoyed this video, so give it a thumbs up. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.